So my viewer, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you're watching me from. And welcome to Shanbro again. We are here making sure that we grow each step, each day. So today I want us to see how we can do away with flies and ticks into our birds. So a fan asked me how I do that and how I prevent my birds from, getting ticks or flies. And this is what I use. This is it's called Sebin Dudu Dust. This is exactly what I use. I use this Dudu Dust. It's called Sebin Dudu Dust. This is what exactly I use to prevent ticks. We are told that it prevents body bugs, it prevents ticks and flies. So, these organisms, sometimes they make, when you realize that your birds are being uncomfortable, they are trying to scratch itself, here and there. That means they have been infected with ticks or flies, and these are organisms that feed on these birds. So sometimes, even if you continue feeding your chicks and they are so uncomfortable, they feed, but they are not growing. That means they have been affected with these ticks. So, my viewer, this is exactly what I do, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how I use these ones to control these organisms. So just follow me through. I'll just show you a sample because these are our birds. They are 50. So I'll take through each and every bird. But for the purpose of this video, I'll only do two, and then I'll log off, and then I'll continue doing. Otherwise, I just want to show you on how I go about this. Just follow me through, and let's see how to do it. Said I want us to elaborate on how we do that. First of all, you make sure you put on your mask. You put on your mask like that, because this is so poisonous. So you make sure your mask is on, and then now come. So you come here. You take a chip like that. Now you take a chip like that, and then you make sure it looks you hold it by the legs. And then now you take the dust, and then you spread it in between the wings. You spread it like that in between the wings, and then you do like that so that at least you make sure it spreads inside the hen, and then you make it. Then you take a flower like that. You hold it by the legs. You take the dust, then you spread it in between. You spread it in between the wings, and then you do like that. You make sure that it spreads, and then you let it go. So, my viewer, that's how I do it. That's how I prevent my birds from ticks. Because these organisms, sometimes you may realize that your birds are scratching themselves. They are not comfortable. First of all, this makes your birds to become uncomfortable, and then they lose appetite. Sometimes they don't eat, and again, sometimes they loses weight because they're not eating. It automatically means that they will lose weight. So, as a good farmer, you make sure that anytime you realize that your birds have got those ticks, you make sure you prevent. And one way of preventing them is by using the Movin. Actually, that's what I use. The Movin is just part of the name of the product, but there are several. So, the one you decide that you want to use, it's better for you, you can use. Otherwise, my dear, thank you so much. So let me continue doing it. There are around 50 birds, and that's the procedure. That's how I'm going to do it. And each bird, as I told you, you hold a bird by its, for example, once again, you so you hold a bird like that by its wings, so that here you want to spray the dust inside here. So you get the dust, and then you spray it in between the wings, and then you hold like that, and then you do like that, so that it spread through the wing like that, and then you let it. So when it will have relaxed, that will spread into its wings. And one good thing of this dust is that it has a smell. It's a very sweet smell, but it's not sweet for the ticks. So that once that smell, or that once the organisms come in contact with those smell, with those ticks, or with the doo dust, they might fly or they might die. So that is it. Others, thank you so much. Those who haven't subscribed, please continue subscribing, because we want to grow our channel as we grow our farm also. Others, thank you so much, and God bless you.